having coffee in bed, getting some work done, and mountain view. Come along for a week of the real digital nomad life, where we go on some epic adventures on the weekend, but the week looks just like your normal working week, and looking for laundromats and places to work out in. This is what the last year and a half of our lives has looked like. If you've been following our journey for the last bit, you'd know that about 2 months ago, over Christmas and New Year's, we went to go try and ski for the first time in Gudauri, Georgia. We really sucked, we struggled, we got sick, so even though it was an amazing experience, we didn't have the best time skiing. And now we're heading back to Gudauri for a weekend to go and attempt to ski in Gudauri again. We will be better, hopefully. Also, this cabin was the best. I don't want to leave. Just look at these views. Bye, Kazbegi. We'll be back, hey?
Yeah.
To come climb the mountain. So we quickly stopped for a quick break at this amazing lookout between lots and lots of snowy mountains. It is beautiful. Hello. For every new subscriber to this channel, we feed a stray animal. There are so many of them all around the world that are in desperate need of a meal. You can also visit the link on the screen and in the description to donate more meals. It is so bright because it's just like white with sun everywhere. My eyes are like full. That's better. Put on some sunglasses. My eyes were literally tearing up. It's like looking, like when you look into the sun. So that there is an old Georgian military Russian highway, and which is now like one of the main transportation routes to and from Russia, with export and imports. So the war from Russia and Ukraine started about 2 days ago. We're in Georgia, very close to the Russian border, about 10 k's away. And yeah, 24/7 this road looks like this. All of these trucks are going into Russia to supply goods to them. That's not cool. Also, so Gudauri, where we are to ski, it usually has a lot of Russians here, and we got here and it's quiet. And the war started about 2 days ago between Russia and Ukraine. So I think it's going to be quiet because I don't think Russians can really fly at the moment. And it's mostly Russians that come and ski here, and obviously Georgian locals. I think it's going to be very quiet. It's going to be weird. It's weird to be skiing in a country next to a country where there's currently a war raging and sanctions. It's going to be interesting. So this morning we are going skiing, very excited. We moved into a place that's the cheapest one we've stayed so far, probably about 3 k's from the lifts, but they have a shuttle that takes you, but it's very cute and very tiny and very local. So that slope is where we had our first lesson. Look how far we've come. We did that one, which was okay now. We went up with those little thingy things on Zuma, but we came down the other one. We spent 3 weeks skiing in Gudauri, but we spent a lot of time researching as a lot of the information isn't readily available online. So we created the ultimate Gudauri ski guide with everything you need to know when skiing in Gudauri. You can find the link in the description below or on the screen. It includes everything from where to stay, where to eat, how to get around, where the pharmacies are, even where the secret toilets are. A lot more things and everything you need to know for the best trip. Thank you. So Jared is ready to do this blue. It's not a lot of greens to do here, so you're gonna do this blue. I'm a little nervous. It's pretty crazy to see like how far you've come. Like last time I was too scared to get onto this lift. Now it's like the easiest thing. Jared had to hold my hand and drag because I was crying and petrified. And now it's like basically, it looks flat compared to what we've done. So I've never really understood the concept of there's not enough snow. What it means when there's not enough snow means there is rocks and ground that you ski through. This happens. You get a piece of mountain that you ski nicely. Whee! Piece of rock. We didn't sign up for all of this today. We got some rock skiing, some river skiing, some slush skiing. Full package. So it's been freaking shitty day. You can't see. It is ridiculously bad visibility. I'm going back down with the lift. And the parts where you can see, it's rock, so you can't ski. Gudauri really doesn't like us because last time we were here, we took holiday, we took leave to come ski, and then we were sick. And now second time that we take leave to come ski, you can't see anything and there's no snow. We've been climbing mountains up and down just to get down because we can't ski. So we're hiking up this mountain to get to the other. Oh, this is hella steep. I'm just sliding down on my bum on this mountain. I am pretty sure Gudauri hates us.
Well, I got nice skiing in yesterday.
Nah.
You just didn't like the last run because it was a bit like a hectic blue.
Like Gudauri makes me like not want to ski.
The blue was a lot, like there was a lot of rocks and like hasn't been a lot of snow the last like week or something, so it's pretty hot. So it wasn't the most amazing, but the skiing on the top of the mountain was super cool.
There's nothing better after you've skied to take a nice warm shower, put on clean clothes, and like have something hot to drink, and then work. We don't just like ski all day and stay in cool places all day. We actually work really, really hard. Jared's like a CTO of like a big company. I work in finance at the same company and do accounting for my brother's firms as well, and have a film company. So we work pretty hard most of the time, but there's always like a price to pay, so we're like always tired. We have to pay for this. It's not money that falls from the sky. We work really hard.
Given trust funds.
No, we don't have trust funds.
We wouldn't mind trust funds, so anyone that wants to donate trust funds can donate a trust fund.
That is very true. We are very, 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 very lucky that our jobs do allow us to work remotely, but with everything in life, it comes with a cost. So it's our last night in this hotel. Tomorrow morning we're leaving at 6:30 a.m. to go to Tbilisi to be there for the rest of the week till we go to Armenia. Also, it seems like at this hotel that we've been staying, the guy kept feeding us wine the entire time, his family's wine. It seems like it was all free. Local family wine, eh?
Me and my brother and my father together
Make that and the red one.
Yes,
It's good.
And the grapes, is it from here or like Cajeti?
Cajeti.
From Cajeti?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Here.
What I thought of now, when traveling, you have to have a very good combination of good routines and habits, and also being flexible. Because if you don't have a good routine or habit of exercising every day or things like that, you won't do it. But you also have to be able to be very adaptable with it. Sun only comes up at 8 here in Tbilisi, so I can't go around before 8 a.m. But luckily we are 2 hours ahead of Cape Town, so if I go run at 8, I'll be ready to work at 10 a.m. our time, which is 8 a.m. SA time. There's not always like a nice space to run like here, so you have to compromise, eh? Sometimes you do it like here. I did it here this morning on this floor, but it's fun. It's fun figuring it out. It is very early. As you can see, you can't see anything because it's still dark. On our way to Tbilisi from Gudauri. It's Tuesday. It's 6:30 a.m. 4:30 in Cape Town. So we should be able to start working at 7 a.m. in Cape Town time. The fun of trying to find a laundry shop. Place doesn't have a laundry machine obviously, and laundry doing in hotels is very expensive. So I found this place just down the road for laundry, and now it's not here. So So, on our way to another one. Hoping we can do laundry there. Just the usual. Working. Unfortunately, every day isn't skiing and seeing amazing places. Most days, 90% of the time. Looks like this. I also look like this 90% of the time. Yeah, 90% of the time is just work. Welcome to life.
In the next video, we head to Armenia to see what the skiing there is like. But first, we spent another night at a border crossing with visa problems. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe.